friends and vinyl fans, Merry Christmas! I'm at the Orchard Road, the famous Orchard Road in Singapore. These are the Christmas lightings and decorations at the major junction here. Hi friends and vinyl fans, this is the Plaza Singapura shopping mall and I'll bring you over to a very interesting place. I guess you guys know what I'm going to show you, something related to vinyl. Yes, it's the local retailer for Pro-Ject turntables and the store is called House of Turntables, H-O-T. There you have it, H-O-T. Listen to music the way it is meant to be. Vinyl records. Pretty extensive. And this shop is located within the shopping mall where a lot of youngsters hang out, a lot of shoppers hang out. And I feel it's very good for the vinyl hi-fi industry because it is not located in a very remote area or in an area where only the audiophiles will throng. It's located within a shopping mall. If you look behind me, a lot of ladies shopping for vinyl records. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Thank you friends for viewing, and see you again. Keep the vinyl dream alive. Hi friends and vinyl fans, Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays. Play your Christmas vinyl records, okay? See you!